Hey guys, it's your girl Zoisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be touching on a recent song that came out. A lot of people have been asking me about my opinion and I said, you know what, it would make a good video for me to just come out and tell you guys how I feel about this recent song that came out. Well, it's not that recent anymore. It came out about maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. So yeah, anyways, the song in particular is the song by Ishawna, which is called Equal Rights and Justice. Well, and you can play like a Equal Rights and Justice. Enough ignorant people are gonna this. But I got up a kill like this. But if you want my youth, you have this. Yeah.
Baby, this is what you came for.
So, really, for people have so much things to say about it. And before I even start this video, I want you guys to comment below what your initial reaction was of the song. Comment below, let me know what you guys initially thought about her song. Now, everybody knows I love Ishawna. I love Ishawna. Yeah, like, I'm a baby that. I love her, you know. Out of a lot of the dancehall, well, there's not that many female dancehall artists, but she's one of the few female dancehall artists that I actually listen to. Now, a lot of her songs I cannot relate to because, you know, if you know Ishawna, you know Ishawna loves to talk about take with people man and sharing man and all of them something there, and I am not into those things, okay? So there's a lot of her songs that I cannot relate to. However, they're entertaining and I like them. So, you know, yeah. But this song, I'm not saying that I can relate to it, you know, but I like the fact a lot of people are, like she said in the song, a lot of ignorant people are gonna cuss this because a lot of people I don't think a lot of people get the underlying point that she's trying to make with the song. Ishawna, I don't feel like she just wanted to sing the song to talk about how guys are supposed to lick their women or whatever the case may be, but just think about it. When you go to a party right now and they talk about, okay, it's gonna be women's time now, they're not always playing female artist songs. Majority of the time it's men that they're playing songs for, and the songs that men make for us to dance to are like slowed down songs, just talking about like whining and pretty much like love making and stuff like that, but they're still raunchy. You know what I mean? You guys, if you guys are into dancehall music and stuff like that, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Think of the Vibes Cartels and the Alkalines and the Popcorns and all of them something there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like Ishawna came out with this song to show like, okay, if you guys can go out into the music world and have us dancing and wanting bad in a dance to your songs where you guys are talking about how you guys bust in our mouths, how we go down on you guys and that type of stuff. Sorry about that, my camera died. But anyways, like I was saying, a lot of Jamaicans are very small-minded individuals and they are very ignorant. So a lot of these guys who have the most issue with this are probably the same ones who are doing this stuff. And it's like, the more you're talking about it is the more you're making yourself known that you are doing these type of activities. You know what I'm trying to say? Be humble about it and just be like, all right, whatever, Nobody needs to know what you're doing out, like inside of your house when you and your man or you and your woman gone inside and on a lock up in your house. Nobody no need to know what we do. Ishawna is just singing about, yeah, like, if I can go and dance to a song where Alkaline or Vibes Cartel or any dancehall male artist is talking about how he's handling his woman in the bedroom, I should be able to do the same. I should be able to enjoy a song about a female singing about the same thing. Like, it's 2017 now. Like, come on. And this is why I feel like even with my stuff, like, I have a lot of Jamaican followers and I feel like they're not really open-minded to a lot of other things. A lot of people are just set in their ways and feel like certain things should be done certain ways and like no rules should be broken or nothing should be done out of the ordinary and all this type of stuff. Like, again, me not see nothing wrong with what Ishawna sing. Again, what me say is the delivery could have been probably spoken a little bit differently. But again, I'm for the movement, equal rights and justice. If bag juice have to stop sell to man and Pepsi have to stop sell to man and man stop nyam French fries, I just saw it go. But yeah, them something y'all go on for a long time. So I don't understand now why all of a sudden when song come out, everybody want boycott it. Like even the DJs, they should be ashamed of themselves, the ones that don't want to play the song. Why don't you want to play the song? It's a song.
I want my maid of honors, my bridal squad to walk down the aisle to this. Is this wrong? My sister thinks I'm crazy, but I do. Man,